Hello everybody, my name is Mark. We had a tough couple of weeks with hurricanes. We've been out of power since Tuesday or Wednesday until last night, 8 p.m. So we've been out of business. We haven't been able to make any money. We rely on you guys and our friends, neighbors, our local businesses, anybody who needs our work. We do precision cutting of just about any material. We make a lot of signs, and if you're local, I do welding and fabrication. It's a tough time for us right now with all the downtime from the hurricanes, so we appreciate you following and sharing. Our website is tandtcncdesign.com. Our email address is tandtcnc@yahoo.com. Our telephone number is 352-255-7131. Again, 352-255-7131. You can reach us just about 24/7 by email. I leave the phones on until 10 p.m. at night. You can email us, of course, anytime. Anyhow, keep us in mind for your sign needs, cutting needs, and if you're local, welding and fabrication. Support local business, support patriots, support veterans. Appreciate y'all. Thank you.